Hi everybody, welcome back to Loudly Car Drivers. But today it will not be loudly. Why? Because the car that I'm driving for a moment is a car that came from the garage because my other car needs to have a maintenance. And that's why I have a Dacia Spring and it's full electric. So I'm testing this. Don't know anything about the electric car. I'm always love the petrol. So now we are testing this one, the Dacia Spring. So guys, as you can see, this is Dacia Spring. It's a little car, not big. It's just a great city car, full electric. The trunk is 219 liters. So we can put something in. Under the hood is a battery like all the other cars and a lot of cables, some cooling. This car you can drive 230 kilometers, so not so far, and it's 45 horsepower. That's not a lot. It's a little city car. In the back it's not much space, just for kids or a dog. So it's small. This is a dash. The inside, what do we have? We have like the normal car stuff, not much. It's a one gear automatic speed, so just in drive, and that's all, or in rear. Handbrake is not automatic, it's just manual handbrake. When you put it on, then you see a lot of lights. It's okay, it's nice, it's simple. It's a multimedia, so here you can see everything for and then we have the air conditioning. It's all normal, simple. Here you have the for your phone, and this is for your side mirrors. It's simple. You have a little space here, so yes, it's normal. Multimedia, it's not that much to see actually. It's like all the other cars, but simple. You have radio, you have GPS, you can put your phone on it, you can do a USB. So it's very simple, but it's maybe that's why, because the cost of this car is not much. This car actually begins within 17,819 euros. So not a lot for an electric car. That's why I think it's all so simple. But hey, if you want it simple, then this car will be great for you. Um, Next, you see here is when your battery is up, and the other side is when you are pulling up, and you can see. Okay, guys, this thing here I started, and when you see that green there is okay. Now we know it's on. Then we can drive. So when you put it in rear, we have a camera. Uh, it's okay. The lines will stay like not like other cars. When you're turning around, the line will go the other side. Here I'm pulling up, and you see when I'm not braking, but it will charge a little bit, so it's not a lot of charge. It will help, I think, but it's a city car. You cannot drive very long or very fast or something, because the maximum speed of this car is 125 kilometers an hour. So not a lot, but okay. Like I say, it's a city car. It's not a car to go to the sea or something. That is not it. From 0 to 100 kilometers, we are doing this in almost 18 seconds. That's a long. But if we know this car can only do 125 kilometers an hour. So hey, this was the Dacia Spring. What I think about it, it's not for me. It's too small. It's okay when you have no kids or something, and when you're living in the city and you don't need to use this all the time. Then it's a very good car, I think. It's very cheap. It's 17,000. It begins on 17,819 euros. So you have another stage that maybe have more options, but it's not that much. It's still a little city car with not much on it. But for people that want it, it drives well. You have just a need to put it on and go. That's all. And for the rest of this car, it's not so wide. It is, I think, 1 meter and 17 centimeters wide, and it's I think it was 3 meters and 70 centimeters long. So it's a little small car. You can do everything with it. You go to the shop. You go. So you see, I have this car, and I had to test it. It was fun, but it's not for me. So guys, that was it. If you love the car, go buy it. It was it for me. I will see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe, and maybe the next car will be louder. We don't know. Bye.